What's up, nerds and virgins, it's your boy APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about upcoming CNFT Halloween drops. I'll be going over the Claymates drop, the Yummy Universe drop, and the Baby Alien Club drop. If you're interested in them projects, and you're interested in CNFTs as a whole, I'd recommend you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because I'm coming out with CNFT content almost every single day. And while you're at it, follow me on Twitter for CNFT news, CNFT discussions, and also CNFT giveaways that I'm also doing every single day. And if you want to show that extra little bit of love, make sure you follow my own NFT project at NerdsCNFT. I would very much so appreciate that. So the first Halloween drop we're talking about today is the Spooky Clay drop. And this is something, as a huge fan of Clay Nation, I'm really excited for. So this mint is only on October 1st. It's 50 ADA, but it's only exclusive to Clay Nation holders. And there's a 24 claim period. So what are these rules? So let me explain. If you hold one clay, you have exclusive rights to one Spooky Clay. If you have 10, you can buy 10. So this is an exclusive drop for clay holders. And since this has been announced, this has done wonders for the Clay Nation floor, because you have to hold a Clay Nation clay in order to get your hands on a Spooky Clay. And as you can see on the screen, these look fantastic. And I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on these. If you are as well, and you don't hold a clay, to participate in this Halloween drop, you must hold a Clay Nation 48 hours prior to release. So if you want to get in on this, by the 29th of October, you have to hold a clay. And any later, you will unfortunately miss out on this drop, which I personally wouldn't recommend. Because for the 50 ADA that they're charging, I believe this is a guaranteed investment above the mint price. Hands down. For the original Clay Nation set, the floor is currently 1,730 ADA, which of course is incredible. So it's hard to see the Spooky drop being less than 50. So as well as being a really cool NFT to have, as a Clay Nation fanatic myself, I believe this will also be a very sound investment. I was fortunate enough myself to mint 11 clays, and since then I've only sold one. One, because I love clays, and two, I'm not a paper-handed pussy. If you are paper hands, I'm just joking. Taking profits is always a good idea. So with me owning 10 of these, you bet that I'm going to mint 10 Spooky Clays. And I am counting down the days, and I cannot wait for this drop. As per usual, the art is amazing. Everything is flawless. And the fact that they've got such a high floor and they're only 50 ADA each is crazy to me. So well done to the Clay team. Another really cool thing about this drop as well is they're partnering with Good Charlotte, who, if you don't know, they're a very popular band, and this is great publicity for the Clays and as well as CNFTs as a whole. Clay Nation, the Clays are really doing their bits and are putting CNFTs on the map. The second Halloween themed drop that I'm very interested in is Yummy Universe's drop. So what does this entail? There will be 10,000 Spoopy Narus, and they'll be for 5 ADA each. And there'll be a holder exclusive sale of 10k Narus, which is insane. The fact that the team are pricing this at 5 ADA each is incredible, given the floor being 400 ADA each, and given that the minimum selling price on CNFT.io is 8 ADA. So you literally can't lose money. That's of course given people buy these, but I have a sneaky suspicion they will. With Yummy Universe being the number 3 project out of all the CNFT projects, and as well as having a huge following and a huge passionate community. The amount of Yummy profile pictures that I see on Twitter is insane. So I have no doubt in my mind that this drop will do well, and that these will have value, at least higher than 5 ADA value. In regards to how this drop works, it's a little bit different to Clays. All you need is to hold one Naru, and then you'll be eligible to buy as many as you want. So given that they have 5 ADA each, these will go very fast. And I'd recommend downloading Daedalus, because this is a huge drop and you want the best service for minting possible. I recently offloaded a couple CNFTs to get my hands on a Naru, which I've always wanted to do, but seeing this being a holder exclusive drop, this is what just tipped me over the edge. And like Clay Nation, this exclusive drop affected the floor as well, in a very positive manner. So well done for the team for giving these incentives, which ultimately gives value to both of these projects. The original sets come with huge perks. So as well as having a great community, great art, they've also got a reason to hold these things. What I love about this the most by the Yummy team is that there's only 5 ADA each. That's very affordable, and that really is rewarding the holders. They could have easily charged 50 for this. I would have paid 50 for these, but they chose to do 5. So well done to the team, and I can't wait to get my hands on a Spoopy Naru. So the third and final drop that I'm going to be talking about today is the collaboration coming this Halloween with Cryptodino and Baby Alien Club. These are both huge CNFT projects, I think the 6th ranked and the 5th ranked CNFT projects both collaborating for Halloween, which is absolutely awesome. And I think this is a perfect collab given the nature of both of these NFTs. They're both incredibly cute, and I believe the audiences will form together and will create huge buzz about this. As of now, no one knows the details behind this, but it's very exciting and I'm down for whatever they give me. I love both of these projects and this is really cool. Baby Alien Club is a huge project with a huge following, and Cryptodino is a huge project that I believe arguably has one of the biggest long-term potential out of all the CNFT projects. But I'll save that for another video. But nonetheless, this is very exciting. So that's the 3 that I'm really interested in, but that's not to say there's many more Halloween drops. There's so many. You've got the Master on Buttons drop, you've got the Mutant Crocs drop, you've got the Cypher Kicks and the Hoskinsons collab, and we also had the Grumpy Bunny drop as well, which sold out in seconds, and I missed out on that as well, but that was really good too. There's many more, and I'm really sorry if I missed out your project. It's not to say that it's bad or anything, it's just there's too many to count. There you have it. There's my top 3 drops that I'm interested in this spooky season. And these are drops that I'll be personally trying to get in on all of these. Let me know if you are as well. And if so, what's your favourite out of these 3? Do you like the Spooky Clay drop, the Spoopy Naru, or the Cryptodino and the Baby Alien collab more? Let me know what one you like. Personally, I'm a clay fanatic and I always will be so. The clays have my heart. But I do love the other ones too, and I'll be getting my hands on the other ones as well. If you enjoyed this video and most importantly found it valuable, I appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, and as well as follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto YT. And for that extra bit of love, make sure you follow CNFT on Twitter and hit that Discord button and join the Discord so you can exclusively have a chat with me. I'm in there all the time, so let me know what you're thinking about the CNFT space or whatever. Just come in and chat with me. I'd love to meet you all. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.